Hello, and welcome to another English lesson brought to you by TalkTime Tutor ESL. I am Miss T, and I am teaching English to Alex and Kim at my home this evening. Today's lesson will provide a brief introduction to the pronouns she, her, hers, and herself. We will learn the appropriate usage of each pronoun. Good morning, Alex and Kim. Today, we're going to explore the usage of pronouns, specifically focusing on she, her, hers, and herself. These pronouns are essential for effective communication.
This is great, Ms. T. Pronouns play a crucial role in language, so I'm eager to learn more about them.
I agree. Pronouns can sometimes be confusing, so I'm looking forward to clarifying their usage.
Absolutely. Let's start with she. She is a pronoun used to refer to a female person as the subject of a sentence. For example, she is going to the store.
So she is used when we're talking about someone who is female?
Exactly, Alex. Now let's move on to her. Her is a pronoun used to refer to a female person as the object of a verb or preposition. For instance, I gave the book to her.
Oh, I see. So, her is used when someone is doing something to a female person?
That's correct, Kim. Now, on to hers. Hers is a possessive pronoun used to show ownership or possession by a female person. For example, that book is hers.
So hers is like saying something belongs to a female person?
Precisely. Lastly, let's talk about herself. Herself is a reflexive pronoun used to reflect back to the female subject of the sentence. For example, she hurt herself while playing tennis.
So, herself emphasizes that the action is done by the same female person who is the subject of the sentence?
Exactly, Kim. Herself is used for emphasis or to show that the action is done independently by the female subject.
I think I understand now, Ms. T. Thanks for explaining it so clearly.
You're welcome, Alex. Now let's practice using these pronouns in some sentences. I'll give you a sentence and you fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun.
Sounds like a plan, Ms. T.
Okay, let's start. Blank is my sister. I always go shopping with blank.
She is my sister. I always go shopping with her.
Excellent! Now let's try another. My sister fixed blank bike all by blank.
My sister fixed her bike all by herself.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of it. Now I want each of you to come up with a sentence using one of the pronouns we've discussed.
Hey, Kim, want to practice using pronouns with me?
Sure, Alex, that sounds like a great idea. Let's do it.
Great. Let's focus on she, her, hers, and herself. I'll give you a sentence and you fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun.
Okay, sounds good. Go ahead.
Blank is my sister. I always go shopping with blank.
She is my sister. I always go shopping with her.
My sister fixed blank bike all by blank.
My sister fixed her bike all by herself.
Awesome. You're getting it. Now your turn. Give me a sentence and I'll fill in the blanks.
All right. Blank is going to the party tonight.
She is going to the party tonight.
Great job, Alex. Now try this one. My friend borrowed blank book.
My friend borrowed her book.
Excellent. You're catching on fast. Let's do one more.
Okay, hit me with it.
Jessica cooked dinner all by blank.
Jessica cooked dinner all by herself.
Perfect. You've got it, Alex. Pronouns can be tricky, but practice makes perfect.
She is going to the store.
Did you see her at the party last night?
She loves to sing in the choir.
She is the president of the club.
She is taller than I am.
I saw her at the mall yesterday.
I gave her a present for her birthday.
The teacher praised her for her excellent work.
She invited her to the party.
I spoke to her on the phone this morning.
The book on the table is hers.
The red car is hers.
The decision is hers to make.
The blue dress is hers.
The responsibility is hers alone.
She built the entire model herself.
She blamed herself for the mistake.
She cooked dinner for herself last night.
She fixed the computer herself.
You both did an excellent job. Understanding and using these pronouns correctly will greatly improve your communication skills. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time.
Thanks, Ms. T. This lesson was really helpful.
You're welcome, both of you. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you in the next lesson.